Okay, this video is example 2, finding each real number root. They give us two examples, and this is kind of like the previous example. It's just that these are specific and we're finding one exact number. I did not mention in the previous video, there's a couple things you need to understand. The index is how many roots, and it's outside the radical symbol right here. The index is always going to be listed right here. If it's not written, like this one, we're going to assume and apply its square root, which means a root of 2. And also in the previous video I didn't mention, the root is always going to match the odd or even characteristic of the number you're trying to find. So this number is even, the root has to be even. This number is odd, if it exists, the root has to be odd. So let's go ahead and work on these. Mentally, I know that the end is a 0, so this has to be something ending in 0, like 10, 20, or 30. I think it's going to be 10. Let's confirm this in the calculator. Let's see, the third root, so hit 3, shift in my root button, and then hit in negative 1,000, and there it is, negative 10. So this answer is negative 10. And just like we talked about in the other video, this is an even root of a negative number. One more time, even root of a negative number does not exist because we're talking about real numbers. Could be imaginary, but a real root, an even root of a negative number does not exist.